Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to do passage reading and there are some questions at the end. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't and watch fun videos every day. Let's get started. Camels live in the hot desert. Again. Camels live in the hot desert. Your turn. Very good. They have humps on their backs to store fat. Do you know what is a hump? This area, which is on the back of the camel, is called a hump. Let's read it again. They have humps on their backs to store fat. Yes, there is fat in the humps. There's not water or food in here. It's fat stored in the humps. The body of the camel converts this fat into water and food and energy whenever required. Now it's your turn to read. Very good. Camels can walk long distances without water. Again, camels can walk long distances without water. Isn't it interesting? In the desert, it's so hot. Even then, camels can walk for a very long distance without drinking water. Do you know the reason why they can do that? Because there is fat stored in their humps and their body converts this fat into water. That is why they don't have to drink water and they can walk for such a long time in such a hot desert. Now it's your turn to read. Very good. They are called the ships of the desert. Again. They are called the ships of the desert. Do you know why they are called ships of the desert? A ship carries lots of people and luggage across the sea. Similarly, camels carry so many things on their back. And they also carry people and they can travel from one end to another in the desert. That is why camels are called ships of the desert because they move the luggage from one place to another. It's time for questions. Are you ready? Question 1. Where do camels live? Option 1, in the desert, or option 2, on the mountains. Where do you think camels live? In the hot, dry desert. So option 1 is correct. Did you get the right answer? Let's check the next question. Question 2. What do camels store in their humps? Option 1, fat. Option 2, water. What do they store? Option 1 is the right answer. Camels store fat in their humps. Then this fat is converted into water and energy. So they don't have to drink water for a very long time while walking in the desert. Question 3. Why are camels called the ships of the desert? Option 1, because they can swim. Option 2, they carry people across the desert. Which one do you think is correct? Do you think camels can swim? No, because there is no water in the desert. So, option 2 is the right answer. Camels are called ships of the desert because, like ships, they carry people and luggage on their backs from one place to another. I hope you got all 3 answers right. Your reading is improving and you did great. Do subscribe to Teaching Mumma. Until we meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.